subscriber, hey. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You already know me. We're going to get right into this video. So today, this video is basically going to be about branding your business. I may not touch everything. I may not get to everything about, just certain things that you may want to have for your business or what may help you get your business out there more or look more professional. But I am going to give y'all the tips and tricks that I have done just so far. Doesn't mean like this is the farthest that you can get, okay? So, just starting off, oh, yes, I have a pencil. It just came along with me in the video. Don't mind it. But starting off, the very first thing that I got to brand my business is, of course, business cards. I mean, it's the most common thing you can ever get is business cards. You put your logo on there, you put your website on the back, if you have a quote, you put your social media on the back, you do all of that on your business cards. In another video, I'm actually going to tell you guys about business cards, more into details about where you can kind of leave them at to kind of get your business more out there too. But that's another video. But business cards, you can make them on Vistaprint. That's where I make them. You can get it from Canva. You can create your actual business cards, like the image, on Fonto. If you don't know what Fonto is an app that a lot of businesses or just a lot of people use in general, where they kind of create their background or their picture and then they move that, save it, and put it on something else. So you can do that too as well. I don't do it that way for me per se. I do some things that way, but not business cards that way. But that is an option to do if you don't like the kind of templates that Vistaprint gets you. Besides Vistaprint, there's Canva. Besides Canva, there's Zazzle. Besides Zazzle, there's Etsy. So there's a lot of places where you can get business cards from. Okay. Next, business cards. Besides business cards is tape. Tape was the next thing that I got. Tape because it depends on what you sell. I use the USPS boxes. If you don't know, they're free. So I kind of get them, I think they come in 50 or 100. So I get 50 at a time. Of course, right now, because that's just what I need. Even though they're free, I'm not going to kind of load myself with boxes because I don't have a lot of space to put on boxes. But right now, I just go by 50. And I kind of order twice in a month. I order in the beginning of the month, I order in the month. So, that's kind of enough. So with those boxes, instead of using your regular clear tape, you can use your own custom tape, okay? This custom tape can be your logo on it. It can honestly be anything, but of course, majority of the time, it's your logo. So because I use those boxes majority of the time for like my wholesale or just like a really big order, I decided to get custom tape. It's another way to brand your business from the time that it leaves your location to the time it gets to the customer location. Do you know how many people probably see your box from the time that it reaches from you, that it goes from you to someone else? You have to think about it. It goes from the USPS carrier, then it goes from the people that transfer your boxes, sort them out depending on which, truck it goes on. From that truck, who knows? You may have a different driver that day. Like, you don't know how many people it can really reach just to have your own logo on. And majority of the time, someone's name of their logo is actually their website. It's just either gonna be like .com, .net, .org, .edu, something like that just at the end of it. But majority of the time, your name is your business website domain. So for example, my custom tape, which I'm going to add photos in here just throughout everything so y'all can see different things that I'm talking about. But my logo is City Empire Collections, and all you have to do is add .com at the end. So my whole website name is cityempirecollections.com. You may not think the driver may be like, oh, I could just add .com to it. But literally, if they just type that name in Google, majority of the time your website's going to come up. I know for me, if I just type in City Empire Collections, my website is kind of the first thing that comes up on Google. So yeah, that's another thing, custom tape. And custom tape, if you don't know this, you can get it from Sticker Mule. That's the place that I get all my custom tape from. And you actually can get like a sample, I guess you can call it, for like $4. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do think it's $4 that you can get like a sample. And it really is just like a strip just enough so you kind of see what it looks like. But they do very, very good quality. I haven't had a problem since. The shipping comes on time, and I mean, they have coupons too as well. Don't even get me wrong. They actually have really, really good deals. You just have to catch them, of course, on the website or if you sign up for the email marketing. Number 3. So far we have business cards and we have custom tape. Besides those two, the next thing that you can do, depending on what you sell. Like I said, I can always just go off what I do. Because what I sell next is like apparel. So, but this will kind of go for a lot of things, but I use it for my apparel, is polymers. If you don't know what polymers is, it's what you can get from Amazon. You can make them custom. It's what majority of the time people actually use for their packaging besides the boxes and the bubble polymers. But I use bubble polymers more than I get the regular ones, so that's why I don't have custom ones. But I do order from businesses, or businesses I do follow actually have custom polymers, and I love them. They're super, super cute. So that is another way to brand your business. So you don't have this a regular polymer or a designing one where you just attach a sticker to it, or you may not even have a sticker at all. Having a custom polymer is the same thing with having custom tape with your boxes. You don't know who is going to see that from the time it leaves your location to someone else. Okay? And plus with the polymers, you can add a lot of things on it too. It's literally just like a business card. You can literally add your logo, you can add your business website, you can add your business social media. Like, you can literally add anything on a polymer. So I'm like, that's another way to definitely promote your business. I don't really know where you can get the custom polymers from. Of course, you can just look in Google and type in custom polymers and literally stuff will start coming up. I don't know where you can get it from because, like I said, I don't have them personally because I don't ship out a lot of things in my polymers. I just only ship out apparels and that's it. Now the next thing, I think we're on 4. So the 4th thing that you can do, like I said, it depends on your products that you sell. But the next thing, I sell, which I think is the number 1 seller for me, is lip gloss. So if you do not follow me on Instagram, then you wouldn't have known, but I actually have custom tubes now. I am so excited to say that because it's been a long time coming. I have not been in business for almost a year. I've been in business almost a year, but not fully a year yet. And I had the opportunity to get custom tubes. They're gorgeous. They're amazing. I will insert a picture in here, but I love them. I love them. I love them. Love them. So yeah, I actually got my vendor from Alibaba. It didn't honestly take that long for me to get this vendor. It's surprising that I didn't have to actually talk to like 20 different vendors to actually find this vendor. And this vendor that I have, I get a lot of stuff from her. A lot of stuff that y'all guys buy, I actually get from this vendor. And I literally get a lot of things from one vendor. And if you guys want me to actually talk about vendors and what you can kind of get from them and what things that you didn't know that a vendor could sell to you, let me know. And you can let me know anything in the comments. You can DM me. I actually do get a lot of DMs about my custom tubes actually, but you can DM me. Let me know if you actually want a video on finding a vendor and exactly how to get things from your vendor, not just necessarily tubes. Like, my lip gloss tube vendor is also my lip liner vendor. I actually sell lip liners now, so if you do not know, I actually get my lip liners and my custom tubes from her because she sells more than one product. And I hope you guys know that too. Your vendor can sell more than one thing, not just the one thing that you're asking for. Okay? But like I said, that's another video. Let me know if you guys want me to do that, and I will. Just DM me and I'll reply back. But yes, I do custom tubes. It's amazing because I don't have to worry about putting stickers on it, even though that is what I did. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's just one less stuff that I have to do. I order it, I get it, I fill up the tube, and I keep it moving. I don't have to actually go ahead, put a sticker on it, make sure I print out stickers. That's more ink. Like, it's a lot. It's a lot of hassle when I can literally get someone to imprint my logo on there, call it a day, fill up your tubes, and get it moving, And it looks a little more professional. But like I said, you don't have to break the bank, okay? You don't have to break your bank for this. I did not. I waited till almost a year into me having business just to get custom tubes, okay? So it just depends on the way that your business is moving, okay? You don't have to force things. Things will come at a time and speed that it needs to come, okay? So definitely don't rush things. But yes, I have the opportunity to have custom squeeze tubes. I don't have custom wand tubes yet. They are in the works, but I just have custom squeeze tubes because majority of my customers order squeeze tubes and wand tubes. And preferably, I like squeeze tubes too, so I can't complain about that. Besides that, I think so far we did what? Business cards, tape, polymailers, and custom squeeze tubes. Besides that, the last thing that I personally have that is kind of custom made is stickers. Stickers is something that I attach to all my products, or I try to attach to all my products, especially if it can fit. So you try to definitely want to have everything to have your name on it. If it's some type of possible way, you want to have your name on everything that you ship out to somebody, okay? Like I said, a lot of things that I'm telling you guys right now is not something that I started off with. So I don't want you guys to be like, oh, well, now I gotta get this and now I gotta get that. You don't have to get that. These are just things that you may want to get in the future, okay? Like I said, take your time, know your business, know your audience, and go from there, okay? But yes, the last thing is custom stickers. Custom stickers, you can get it from Vistaprint, you can get it from Zazzle. I actually get it from both. I get it from Zazzle and Vistaprint. Vistaprint, I get my big 3-inch stickers. I think it's like 3.3 or 3.2 inches. I'm not sure. I think so. But and then from Zazzle, I get my smaller circle, which I think is like 1 point something. I don't really know the exact measurements, but like 1 point something. But just a smaller version of my big version of stickers. Why I get them from 2 different places is because of the pricing and the quality of it. With Vistaprint, you do have to pay extra if you want like glossy or like a different shape. You have to pay extra for that. But with Zazzle, you don't have to. So that's why I kind of and you get more for your money. So that's kind of why I do Zazzle. But Zazzle take a little bit longer than Vistaprint. So you kind of see why I do both. I'm not like I like one more than the other. It just depends on the timing and shipping of when I need materials or inventory, as you want to say. So yeah, stickers. Like I said, because I don't do polymailers, custom polymailers, I put regular design polymailers and I just attach a sticker on it. So that's why I have custom stickers. So it's not everything that you have is embroidered name on it to where you don't need something. Not everything for me is like that. So that's why I use a sticker in a replace of that. So that's why I said stickers are not bad. It just kind of, you know, it's more money out your pocket because you have to buy a sticker and you have to buy something else and then put the sticker on that instead of just buying it all together. And with a lot of businesses, the more you buy, the lesser you pay. So that's another thing as well, okay? But that's pretty much it, you guys. Like I said, the 5 things, I'm sorry, my Lord have mercy. The 5 things that I have talked about branding your business, and remember there's so much more things that you can do besides these 5 things, are business cards, tape, polymailers, custom tubes, stickers, okay? And these are just the 5 things that work for my business because these are my products, okay? You can have custom boxes, okay? You can have custom, I don't think you can have custom bubble mailers. Maybe you can. I don't know if they have that nowadays. But for what I have seen, I haven't seen that. But you can have that. You can have custom hang tags for your clothes, okay? Like you can have custom bowls. You can have custom cups. You can have custom of so many things. But it really just depends on what you sell and what your products are, okay? So I hope you guys like this video. I hope it's very informative for you guys, especially for some people who sell the same thing. But majority of things I was talking about are literally just for any businesses, not even just for a lip gloss business or an accessory or an apparel business. But I hope this was very informative for you guys. Like I said, definitely let me know if you do want to talk about vendors. I know a lot of people actually ask who my vendor is. So if you want to talk about that, let me know and I'll make a video. But I'll see y'all later.